Everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you a comparison between Whop and Patreon. So, Whoop has lower transaction fees than Patreon, meaning they make a smaller cut out of your earnings, while Patreon takes a larger cut. Whoop offers better marketing tools and discoverability in comparison of Patreon, and Whoop does payments right and in timely, and they let you sell any digital product, giving you the freedom of creativity of finding any digital product and selling it on Whoop. On the other hand, Patreon does not allow you to do that, and Whoops give you a social proof. And yeah, these are pretty much all the advantages given that are included in Whoop in comparison of Patreon. And some people think, uh, most people think that Whoop is a more updated, better version of Patreon, so they have shifted to Whoop, saying that Patreon has become old. So yeah, thank you for watching this until the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.